Hey everyone, in this video, I will walk you through how to disable face verification in Binance, step by step. If you are looking for more control over your security settings or facing issues with facial recognition, this guide will help you adjust your Binance verification preferences. So now let's get started. First, open the Binance app or go to the Binance website and log in using your credentials. If you have two-factor authentication enabled, enter the necessary verification code to proceed. Now once you are logged in, go to your profile by tapping your user icon in the top left corner. From there, navigate to your profile and then select Identity Verification to access your account verification settings. In the Identity Verification section, scroll down to Face Verification or a similar setting. Binance may ask you to confirm this action using your password or two-factor authentication code. After selecting Turn off Face Verification, Binance may prompt you with a confirmation message explaining the impact of disabling facial recognition. Read through the details carefully as turning off this feature might limit certain account functionalities, especially withdrawals and high-value transactions. If you still wish to proceed, confirm your action by entering your password or verifying with two-factor authentication. Once you have disabled face verification, Binance should display a confirmation message to ensure the change has been applied. Go back to identity verification and check if face verification is now marked as disabled. If you don't see the option to disable face verification, Binance may have restrictions based on your region or account verification level. In such cases, you can contact Binance customer support through the app or website or for further assistance. And that is how you disable face verification in Binance in just a few easy steps. Now, if you found this video helpful, please leave a like and subscribe.